Picture a full sheet of metal on the table. The laser head locks on, and a single beam begins to trace your design. Smooth, reliable, and exact, the beam slices through steel, stainless steel, and aluminum, leaving bright, clean edges. The extraction system removes debris as it works, keeping the area tidy and safe. Operators load parts, set the job, and watch as the machine turns raw sheets into finished components without the back and forth of manual work. This machine handles large panels with ease, maintaining the same high quality from the first part to the 100th. The closed-loop motion control and rigid frame reduce vibration, ensuring that detail work remains sharp. Compared to plasma cutting, the IR-3015RTH delivers finer edges and far less gloss, while minimizing thermal damage on thin and medium thickness metals. Compared to mechanical sawing or milling, it eliminates tool wear and reduces secondary processing, which means fewer rejects and less manual labor. And versus lower wattage fiber lasers, this 3 kilowatts model cuts thicker sections cleanly, expanding the range of jobs you can accept without sacrificing pitch quality. In short, it is faster, cleaner, and more versatile, directly improving your margin and building customer confidence. Concentrated laser energy means less heat-affected zones, minimal warping, and almost no edge grinding after cutting. For your business, that translates into shorter lead times, lower finishing costs, and higher output. With one machine, you can meet tighter delivery windows and maintain the consistent tolerances your customers expect. If you want to move from good to exceptional in metal fabrication, the IR-3015RTH will transform your shop's capabilities. Contact us today for scheduling demos, see sample cuts, and explore how this laser will integrate into your work. Start cutting smarter now, and let your work speak for you.